how to delete a Snapchat account on Android 2022. Firstly, when you launch your application, you need to get up right here on your setup selection, which is on your profile action. Go on your right upper side on the settings bar, then simply scroll down, go for support. Just find out the supporting section, which is right here. Just as you can see, you have many different options. You have I need help, just go on support I need help. Right from here, guys, you'll need to wait to take off here on the downloading session. Scroll down and go on my account security, and right after you get here, as you can see, you have many different options and you need to choose the right one, which is write down, deleting or reactivating my account. Go click on that selection and select the right option. The right option in this case, it is the second one, which says how do I delete my Snapchat account. Click on that action, and now here you have description for the supporting team of Snapchat, which tells you what you need to do to take off and delete your account. Now by scrolling down here, it needs to tap on accounts portal. Just tap on that selection and it will take you to the browsing system, which is on accounting Snapchat selection, and from here you can delete your Snapchat account. Here you need to add your password and then just go continue and you're done.